everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 different recipes of suhoor ideas. They will give you energy throughout the day and prevent thirst during fasting in the month of Ramadan. They're very easy recipes, super delicious. All these recipes / ideas are super easy to make, super delicious and very nutritious. As usual, all the ingredients and the measurements will be listed down below the video in the description box. Don't forget to follow me on social media, subscribe to my channel, and press on the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now for the first idea / recipe, I'm gonna share with you my avocado toast. It's really easy to make and super delicious, and it's packed with nutrients. The ingredients are really simple. Of course, I'm gonna need some toast. I'm using here whole wheat toast. I toasted it a little bit in my pan. The more grains you have in your toast, the better it is. Of course, I'm gonna need some avocados, tomatoes, boiled eggs, some feta cheese, and some spices. So here I'm just mashing slightly the avocado until it reaches a creamy texture. Then I'm gonna add a pinch of salt and a pinch of paprika. Not too much, just a little bit. I'm also gonna add a little bit of lemon juice. Now give everything a good mix. Now spread it evenly on both pieces of toasts. Now I'm gonna top it with low salt feta cheese, or you can use goat cheese if you like. So the tanginess of the cheese with the creaminess of the avocado is really good. And to add some freshness, I'm gonna add some slices of tomatoes. I just added some dried basil and a drizzle of olive oil to give it a nice taste. And for the proteins, I'm gonna top everything with a boiled egg. Eggs are really good for suhoor because they give you energy, they give hydration to the body, and so you don't feel thirsty throughout the day. So that was it for the first one. It's easy, it's delicious, it's packed with nutrients, and as you saw, it was super easy to make. Next, I'm gonna make my date and banana smoothie. This recipe is really good. It's naturally sweet and full of amazing stuff. Now, what I'm gonna need to make this smoothie, of course, some dates, banana, peanut butter, vanilla extract, some milk, some yogurt, also cinnamon, and finally, I'm gonna need some oats. Whatever kind of oats you have on hand. Now simply all I'm gonna do is to put all my ingredients in the same blender so that everything blends better. I'm adding the cinnamon for extra flavor and some vanilla extract. And for proteins, I'm gonna add some peanut butter. I'm using organic peanut butter and it's sugar-free and salt-free. Of course, don't forget to add the oats to the blender. And finally, all you have to do is to blend everything together until you have a creamy mixture. And it's ready to be served. Here you have it, my date and banana smoothie. It's packed with nutrients. You saw all the ingredients I added. Really good, really nutritious, and super easy to make. Next, I'm gonna make a super easy and flavorful fruit salad. It's really good and refreshing and super easy to make. Now what I'm gonna need is some fruits. I just diced up some fruits, whatever I had in my fridge. Here I have some pineapples, strawberries, mango, apples, and some bananas. I will also need some yogurt, lemon zest, some lemon juice, some honey, and some peanut butter. Now it's really simple. I'm just gonna put all these fruits in the same bowl, and I'm gonna add to it some lemon zest and lemon juice. Next, I'm gonna add some honey. And I'm just gonna mix everything together until all these ingredients are well combined. Now I'm just gonna put it in my bowl, then I'm gonna top it with some yogurt and some peanut butter for extra proteins. And here you have it, it's ready to be served. Super easy, super delicious, and it has all the vitamins you need. Next, I'm gonna make a healthy potato salad. The ingredients are very basic, they're super easy, and the result is very yummy. So what I'm gonna need is some boiled potatoes cut into cubes, some boiled eggs also cut into cubes, some cucumbers, some yogurt, and a little bit of mayo. First I'm gonna put the potatoes, the eggs, and the cucumbers in the same bowl. Then I'm gonna add the yogurt, 1 tablespoon of light mayo. You know, usually this salad is made with only mayo, but I replaced the mayo with the yogurt and added just 1 tablespoon of light mayonnaise. As you saw, I added a pinch of salt and a pinch of cumin. And finally, all I have to do is to mix all these ingredients together. Really easy. It has the starch from the potatoes, also it has the proteins from the eggs, the cucumbers for extra freshness. Also you have some proteins from the yogurt. It's healthy, also it's really good. So here you have it, it's ready to be served. Try it, I'm sure that you will love it. Finally, I'm gonna make a yogurt bowl with some fruits and granola. This recipe or this idea is super easy, it's the easiest one, and it's really good. So of course I'm gonna need some fruits, some dates, and some granola. These granola are homemade. I once shared a recipe with you on my Instagram account, or simply you can use store-bought. So the dates here are chopped, and also the fruits. Now for the yogurt, I'm using here vanilla Greek yogurt. The Greek yogurt is high in proteins, that's why I used it here. And if you want, you can use whatever flavor you want. I used vanilla. Now it's really simple. All I'm gonna do is to top the yogurt with the fruits I have. So I have here some bananas and some strawberries. Also I'm gonna garnish with some granola and the chopped dates. So my yogurt and fruits bowl is ready to be served and is looking amazing. So my lovelies, that was it for today's video. I shared with you some suhoor ideas that you can make at home, really easy, really good for you. They will give you energy throughout the day and hopefully prevent thirst during fasting in the month of Ramadan. Give them a try and tell me what you think. I'm sure that you will love them. And finally, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'm gonna see you soon in another video. Bye!